If you don't have a watermark on your videos, then more than likely you're leaving subscribers on the table. But thankfully, you can go ahead and change that in less than a minute. So let's go ahead and change that right now in YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, what you want to do is go to the customization tab. From here, under profile, you want to scroll all the way down until you see your watermark. For this, you can see that the image has to be a 1:1. If you do not use a square image, then it will shrink down whatever image that you decide to use here. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and go to upload, and I'm going to pick out my profile icon as the watermark. So we have 3 different ways this can be displayed as far as the time. You can start at the end of the video, which I believe is like the last 10 to 20 seconds of the video. You can have your own customized start time, or you can just do throughout the entire video. So if I want to do a customized start time, it starts at 5 seconds here, but let's say I wanted to have this start at 30 seconds in the video. I can go ahead and do that. But let's say I don't want this. Let's say you want to use this as a subscribe button instead. So you want to make sure that people know they can subscribe by pressing on this button. Let's go ahead and change this out and then go to get a image that says subscribe on it instead, like this one right here, and press done. And now we have a subscribe button that plays throughout the entire video. And now all I have to do is go to publish, and then we can go ahead and check out my new videos here. So we can see over at the bottom right, we have the subscribe button. And if somebody presses on it, they will be asked if they want to subscribe to the channel. Now, are there times where you may want to not have a watermark? Yeah, but it's relatively rare. I mean, unless you're going to be showing like a bunch of data where it might be in the way, or if you already have a watermark added in to your actual video, or if you're doing something highly cinematic, maybe you want to go ahead and not have that watermark there. But for most people, you're going to want to have that watermark there. So I would suggest that you do that. Also, I would suggest that you like the video if you thought this was useful, and subscribe to the channel if you are looking for a place that has more tutorials like this, more how-tos, and so on and so forth.